Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Cap with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. And I want to show you a few things from the Fine Art Floral suite. Mainly I want to show you the Golden Garden Designer Specialty Acetate and the Fine Art Floral Designer Series paper and how they work together. So let's look at, you get the acetate, you get 3 sheets of acetate. You get this one. Now let's put this, it may be, yeah, there you can see that. And you can see the flowers on here. There is a protective sheet of film on here, which I can never get off. There is. Honestly, let me tell you, there is a protective sheet on here. But you've got gold on one side, silver on the other. Beautiful acetate. Then you've got this one. And again, there is a film on these. I really wish they would, you have to peel them off. I guess you don't have to peel them off, you can't find it. But there is, oh, there it goes, no. Anyhow, but this is the one I want to show you. Isn't this beautiful? But here is, we're going to come back to this one. Here is the Designer Series paper from that suite. And look at it, you want to touch it. It looks like, not pastels, not watercolors, acrylic painting. What they did was somebody actually did a painting and then they shot a picture of it. It is just beautiful. On the other side is like brush strokes. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this one. And then we've got this one. This is the Rococo Rose. And then we've got these. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, you just have to see these in real life because you just want to touch them. Oh, and this is the grays and the blues. Oh, and here's, I put this on one of my daughter's Christmas countdown boxes. And then we've got this one. Now I want to show you what this one can do. So I'm going to bring you up hopefully a little more so you see the whole thing. And then remember the acetate, this one I was showing you, see this one? Looks like a bunch. Well, you grab it and look at it. It lines up perfectly with that sheet of Designer Series paper. So you could put it on it and just cut it out by the 4-inch strips and use that as your entire card. You could make, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. Then you'd have a little something left over for some other cards. I just wanted to show you this. Now you can, I would appreciate it if you do want to buy this, and especially these 2 products because you want to use them together. Remember to, you can purchase all your stuff from me at marytroutner.stampinup.net. All the information is down below to purchase these, and follow me on YouTube. I really would appreciate it. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.